Hi there, students. Lambent, an adjective. Lambently, the adverb. And even a noun, lambency. Okay, lambent means shining gently, flickering. The flames were flickering lambently against the trees in the darkness. A lambent glow. Okay, so it's like to shine gently, to play over a surface, flickering lightly, lambent firelight, or also having a gentle luminous glow. A lambent moon cast shadows on crumbling walls. Okay, and then we can also use lambent metaphorically, talking about a quick sense of humour, bright and intelligent, witty, but without being cutting, without being acidic and hurting people. Yeah, and that's the idea of lambents, a light, brilliant wit, but without unkindness. So I appreciate your lambent comments. The comments of a troll would be far from lambent. Yeah, cutting and probably not very intelligent. Okay, so this word lambent. Lambent flames are above the fire, shining and flickering. He has a lambent wit, a lambent sense of humour. Or the lambent light of the moon shone in through the window. Okay, so playing lightly on a surface, flickering, to do with light, or softly bright, soft radiance, or then figuratively, brilliance of expression, being witty and funny, but at the same time not being cutting. Let's see, the origin of this word might help you as well. Lambent comes from lambo, or is it lambeo? Lambo in Latin, to lick. And so this is what the light is doing. It's like the light is licking the things that it covers. Yeah? The lambent glow of the fireflies. This light is just licking everything around, and that's the idea. So, lambent. A flickering, gentle, glowing light, or just a glowing light. The lambent lights of the city in the distance. The lambent car headlights flashed past. And then figuratively, he made lambent comments, clever, very intelligent, but not being cruel or unkind. Yeah, his lambency is quite astounding. Yeah, he always expresses himself incredibly lambently. Now, your next question, how formal is this? I think I'd probably give it a 7 in formality. This is the sort of word, if you use, native speakers are going to say, and what does that mean? They're not going to know it, okay? So be careful how you use it. I would use it in a semi-formal or a formal essay or writing. It's a very descriptive, artistic word, yeah? While you are lambently expressing your ideas in your essay, you could use it, yeah? Okay, so lambent, a light that brushes over or flickers gently over a surface. Something that glows or is luminous, but it's not necessarily hot. And then intelligent, witty, funny, but without being cruel. Okay, so I hope I've given a good lambent explanation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lambent.